Test yourself with these 40 road signs for driving test and find out if you're ready to ace your exam. Name this road sign. The answer is A, no stopping. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B, no right turn. Identify this road sign. The answer is C, minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Guess this road sign. The answer is B, no waiting. What is this road sign? The answer is C, mini roundabout. Name this road sign. The answer is A, national speed limit applies. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C, no left turn. Which road sign is this? The answer is A, level crossing with gate ahead. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B, maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Identify this road sign. The answer is C, speed camera. Which road sign is this? The answer is A, one-way traffic. Name this road sign. The answer is B, entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is C, buses prohibited. Identify this road sign. The answer is A, end of 30 miles per hour. Which road sign is this? The answer is B, turn left ahead. Name this road sign. The answer is C, maximum speed 60 miles per hour. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is A, light signals at a level crossing ahead. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B, crossbuck. What is this road sign? The answer is C, height restriction. Identify this road sign. The answer is A, end of 20 miles per hour zone. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B, controlled parking zone. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Keep left. Name this road sign. The answer is A. Risk of grounding ahead. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is B. Clearance warning sign. Guess this road sign. The answer is C. Electrified overhead cable ahead. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A. Target for crossing gate. Identify this road sign. The answer is B. Speed camera ahead with 30 miles per hour reminder. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is C. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Identify this road sign. The answer is A. Stop. Children crossing ahead. What is this road sign? The answer is B. Telephone at level crossing. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is C. Low arch bridge ahead. Guess this road sign. The answer is A. End of controlled zone. What is this traffic sign? The answer is B. Overhead electrical wires. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. Name this traffic sign. The answer is A. Direction to telephone at level crossing. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Low-flying aircraft. What is this road sign? The answer is A. Tramway. Name this road sign. The answer is B. Accompanied horses prohibited. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. Great job making it to the end. If you want to keep building your road sign knowledge, hit subscribe for more practice quizzes and tips every week. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep testing yourself. You're closer than ever to passing your test.